Good morning. Here's the latest from the market open. The FTSE100 opened slightly lower at 10,514.96. In Europe, the Euronext 100 was broadly unchanged, while Germany's DAX fell 0.37%. Overnight in the US, the Nasdaq closed higher at 26,269.23, and the S&P 500 also gained to finish at 7,572.4. In company news, Frasers Group reported higher revenue and stronger retail profits as its international expansion strategy continued to deliver growth. Meanwhile, Foxtons lowered its profit guidance, citing the impact of lettings reforms and a softer housing market on trading conditions. Against sterling, the US dollar and Swiss franc eased slightly. The euro and Australian dollar were broadly unchanged. The Japanese yen edged lower and Bitcoin fell. In commodities, copper slipped, gold was steady, Brent crude moved higher as geopolitical tensions supported oil prices, and natural gas was broadly unchanged. That's your market open. I'm Fiona Craig. Have a great day.